This is Milan, my instructor. This is a simulator of what it's like to be in an aircraft. Here Milan's kind of walking through the exit procedures. Milan is instructing me how to position my body during free fall. When coming in for the landing, your instructor will tell you to put your feet and legs together and keep them horizontal. Also, continue to look towards the horizon.
Hey Ryan, I'll be in first.
Some beautiful views in Jefferson, Wisconsin. Beautiful skies. Hooking up. At this time it's starting to get a little real. You are connected to your tandem instructor by 4 points. 2 on the shoulders, 2 on the lower back. When that door opens, it is real. Feet lifted, eyes towards the horizon.
What do you think of that?
So, as you can see, you will live if you go to skydiving. When you go tandem, you have almost zero responsibility other than just listen to your instructor. You only live once. Stay blessed.